How to see who visited or viewed your Instagram profile. Have you ever wondered who's been checking out your Instagram profile? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a new trick to find out who's been lurking on your account. No apps, no surveys, just a simple method you can try today. So let's dive right in. First, let me clear something up. Instagram doesn't directly show you who has viewed your profile. Unfortunately, Instagram does not provide an official way to see who's visited your account like TikTok, but don't worry, there are still some clever workarounds. Instagram allows you to see who views your stories and posts in certain situations. So let's focus on those. One of the easiest ways to see who's checking out your profile is through Instagram stories. Whenever you post a story, Instagram shows you a list of everyone who has viewed it. Simply post a story, then swipe up on the screen to see the list of viewers. For example, I'm going to be posting one story right here. Now, after you've posted your story, simply tap on it and swipe up, and here you can find all the viewers who have seen your story. This will tell you exactly who viewed that specific story, and since many people watch stories who may not follow you, you can get an idea of who's been interested in your profile. Another place you can check is your Instagram Reels. If you post a reel, you can also see who's viewed it. Just like with stories, Instagram shows you a list of viewers on the reel itself. Just go to your reel and swipe up just like we did earlier, and you'll see how many people have watched it. While this doesn't tell you exactly who visited your profile, it does give you insight into who's been engaging with your content. Now, if you have a business account on Instagram, there's a feature in your insights that allows you to see how many people visited your profile. While you won't see the exact names of your profile visitors, you'll get an overall idea of how much attention your profile is getting. And that's it. Although Instagram doesn't allow you to directly see who viewed your profile, you can still get some great insight by checking your stories, reels, and activity feed.